Hello, mini editors. I'm Talia, and welcome to the Mini Edit. If you're just joining us, we're on color 4 of 5 in this series, with one more to go. And today's star is pink. Let's explore what this color has to offer. Pink is a versatile color often associated with sweetness, romance, and energy, typically created by mixing red and white, or more vibrant with magenta and white. Technically, it does not exist as a single wavelength on the light spectrum. Instead, it exists as a combination of shades. Pink is frequently used to represent femininity, sensitivity, and particularly with shades like hot pink, it gives a sense of celebration and energy. It is also represented in breast cancer awareness and modern activism. If you pair pink with black, gray, or blue, dark blue to be exact, it can make it look less childish with more of a modern note. The negative attributes of pink can be associated with passivity, inexperience, emotional weakness, or excessive timidity. And the positive attributes of pink strongly influence romance, sweetness, happiness, hope, nurturing, and creative playfulness. So now that we're inspired, it's time for our mini edit. So usually I pick pictures as my inspiration, but this time I saw this flamingo fabric and I thought it was really nice, very sturdy. So this was also my inspiration for our pink room. I also went ahead and put up the walls, and I decided I wanted a sliding glass door this time, so we did that. And I painted one wall pink because this is going to be our feature wall. And I also made a cabinet for our space. I'm still trying to decide what I want this room to be called. So we have our cabinet, and now we also have our little bar for our space. I think I want this to be the Mini Edit Studio. Yeah. So anyway, we have our bar. Now we need some stools. Let's dive in. We have 2 plastic dowels, some colorful pink glitter glue, a pink magnet just for a little weight at the bottom, some Mod Podge just to cover up our paint, protect our paint, and we're gonna put some of this glitter glue inside of this tube because I wanted a clear look to the stool base, but I kind of wanted a little color. So I saw this glue and I thought it was perfect. It's $1.25 over at the local Dollar Tree. Okay, so right here you're gonna take your little pink magnet, a couple of beads. I got 2 silver beads, and I started with a silver tack, and then I put the beads, and then I put the glue, and then I put the dowel. So right here is where I took the foam board and I slid it down over the. I needed 2 dowels because one plastic dowel was not enough. It was a little too flimsy, and I do want the barbs to be able to sit down and have a glass of water while they work, or maybe eat a snack, have lunch, chit chat, whatever. I want them to be able to sit on the stools and hang out or work together, whatever. So here I have, it looks like a heart, but it's not really a heart. I wanted a coffee table, but I did not want one that was a traditional one. So I did one that was kind of like a abstract heart. So let's build. We're going to build a coffee table. Okay, mini editors, I have a confession to make. I actually put the table together wrong. They were supposed to be facing the same direction, both of the abstract hearts, I did the best I could, and I still love it. I hope you do. Let me know in the comments if you do. Now it's finally time for my favorite part. It is time to add clutter to the space. Look how nice that couch came out and the curtains match perfectly. I also made some artwork for the space from a print that I previously had. Oh, and I almost forgot, we have a patio space that we have to decorate. I think I'll do the snap method for this. I'm so happy that you're here today. If you enjoyed today's mini edit and you would like to see more of the mini edit color series, then drop me a comment, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so that you don't miss the next episode. Thanks for spending time with me. And if you're not ready to leave yet, I've got more videos for you right here. I'll see you in the next one. Trust me, you don't want to miss it. See you later, mini editors.